our DOM and our inheritance example. What I want to do is I want to come down into my document and I want to kind of demonstrate in the browser how this will work. If I went and saved this out right now, brought it back into the browser and drug this into the browser, this is the document that we've created. So it's a pretty basic document. We have our little EM showing up here with whole sentence, then a link on font size. So let's go ahead and add some style elements to see what's going to happen in CSS so that we get some inheritance on this. So let's go style. We'll just do an internal style sheet. So style type equals text / CSS quote bracket. And then let's pick one of our selectors. Let's start out with a selector inside inside here so we can see how far inheritance will go. So let's start with, say, the EM. So we'll go EM space curly brace font dash size colon, what did we say, 16 pixels, px semicolon curly brace return / style. Alright, so let's see what that does. Let's go ahead and save that. And what would you expect? Well, we'd expect that anything inside this EM would get a 16-point size. So it looks like not much happens. But what if I change that to, say, 46? So that it's a lot different. So this whole sentence, so now all of a sudden we've got an environment here where I'm going to go ahead and move these so you can kind of see both as we move along. Playing with my windows for just a second. So as we do that, then we can see that right here in the M, it's setting the font size to there, and that's not going any further. It doesn't pass that on. It doesn't inherit anything. Well, what if I set it as the body? What would you expect would happen now if I set my body tag to that? Would you expect that this div, this paragraph, this M, this A, these divs would also hold and would also inherit those properties and values? And let's go ahead and save it and look at the browser and refresh it, and that's exactly what happens. So inheritance happens because now the child is inheriting the properties of the parent. So that's kind of what we're playing with. Well, what if we said our body size was that and our M size? What if we just set the A tag to that? So let's save that, hit refresh. So only our font size would do it then. So only that would do it. Or you can inherit it more broadly as the parent relationships. So as you're working in HTML and CSS and you have some inheritance issues, you need to kind of look at the DOM tree. And again, I'm going to bring that back up, and you can see which elements have a parent-child relationship to other things, and which properties and values will be inherited because of their relationship in the tree structure. So there you go.